Shopify settings. In this lecture, we will take a quick look at the general settings in the Shopify dashboard. Click on the left on the bottom on settings. Okay, once we are there, I want to click on general and we're gonna cover all those things here, right over here. We're gonna cover it step by step. So I click on general and here you can enter your store name. This is what people see if they enter your domain. So and here you can enter your administration email. You log in with this email, and right over here you can enter your legit business name. Is not required, but you can do it. I'm not gonna give them a phone number because that's too much. So yeah, and here you can select your state, and right over here you can select your time zone, and here you're white. Okay, and here you can use store currency. That's really important if you have euros. I have euros, for example, because I live in Europe. And yeah, you can also enter a different store currency like dollar or something else, or pound. So that was it for this lecture. So I hope I will see you in my next lecture.